Hey there, I want to do a cold start on my old craftsman that it does run pretty well, and it hasn't ran since 3 days ago, and it does have electric start on it. See right there. I'm going to do a cold start on it. Full choke, already primed it. He's on. See that when I pulled the handle down, it started making that was whacking inside. And that whacking is due to the auger hitting the chute, this cover right here. Underneath here, the auger clips on this edge that's hanging off on the chute down here. So I was thinking of just cutting it, or maybe, you see how it has that bow in it? Probably can't see it, but there's a bow in here, and I was thinking of taking this threaded rod, putting it from here to there, and then bolt it in so it'll suck the sides in, and we'll push up the top, and that should stop it from hitting. And it is missing the steel rod that goes from this side to this side that holds the chute on, so I just got this fiberglass flagpole, cut off the end and just shoved it in there. Alright, that's all I got for you today.